Questions mount as the LAPD surrounds an Eastside apartment complex. Sky 5 News has learned that an apparent hostage situation is unfolding. Stay with us.
We're getting close to a deal. Cops are coming for the hostages. If we lose them, we lose. Period.
A disturbing story from the east side today is police prepare to storm an apartment complex. Inside the complex, Sky 5 has learned are...
Be advised, we're moving to lock down the area and rescue the hostages. The bad guys inside won't make it easy for you.
Not dying today.
The suspects are armed and presumed dangerous. We need to free those hostages.
Tossing incendiary, watch it!
Yo.
You just missed the biggest 4-piece I just picked up, bro. And I recorded it, and I hope the sound is epic as shit, because I'm going to send it to you, because this is why, like, I play these small game modes, and, like, it was intense, it was epic as shit, and I was pumped.
Hear that, Moose? It was intense, epic as shit.
Dude, it was, I'm going to send it to you.
Okay. Ready.
Throwing incendiary!
Moose says he's ready too, but he doesn't know if he was ready to stop playing fetch to watch.
Oh, fuck off, man. Now I'm just sucking nuts, man. Dude, I had this lucky 4-piece. If I had teammates, man, like, that we could coordinate, I mean, like, you know, but I'm just gonna play out this game real quick, and you can join me actually if you want. There's an open spot, but it is about over, I think. I just wanted to, I'm trying to get some recording, you know what I mean, so I can like test my, see the sound and whatnot.
Yep, I get it.
But what I did is so before I was using, so my capture card, I have my Xbox HDMI going into the capture card, and then that was it. And so what I was doing was using the program that they used, that they designed with the capture card to get my video onto my monitor, which was working when I was playing with it. But with how OBS, the recording software, works and stuff like that, you know, for whatever reason, like, the sound and audio were getting, like, quite a bit off, like, a couple seconds off and stuff. And so now what I did is I actually am using my capture card like a legit capture card. So I have an HDMI going into it, and then I have an HDMI coming out of it because it has the HDMI through on it, you know, like the Elgato does. And then I'm running that actually into my monitor, so I just have to, like, you know, before I could still use my computer over top of my video game, like, but right now, like, my monitor's just set to my Xbox, where, so now I can't do that type thing, so, like, I have to switch sources, which is fine, you know, but, I think it works. The other thing is, I think I'm getting some feedback from the power splitter, but I don't really know if there's a way that I'm going to be able to fix that. I think it's just the electric buzz that's going to be with what it's going to be, and that's just going to be splitting hairs, and I'm just going to try and, like, I'll try and get it as good as possible, but I don't think I'll be able to get it any better, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's 3-3, man. We need to come up with a big game, dude. It was the best, man. I was the last one alive on my team. Fucking 4-pieced it. All my teammates had to watch me do this shit. I was like, yep, fuck off, kids. And now I just suck. Like, I haven't gotten a kill since.
Unfortunately, I feel like that's the way it works. I almost feel like there's like a meter of awesomeness and you drained it.
Well, but like, now we're attacking, right? So like, I was playing defense the first time when I got that sick-ass 4-piece, you know, and like, that's way easy, right? Like, now that I'm attacking, it's way harder, in a sense. Like, they're just literally sitting here, like, I humiliated their team, man. Like, I sure that made them look like, no.
Are you on the block?
Yeah, I am. But it's literally the last round. Like, it's not even worth coming in because you're gonna.
Incendiary!
you're going to have to wait, and it's the last round, so it's just gonna like, I mean, unless you're wanting to play this with me, like.
Oh, I don't really care.
Let's go, baby.
Officer, it's down to you. Do what you can to free those hostages.
So fucking hurt, man. No! I just lost. Did you see me die? I'm so hurt. Oh, actually, wow, it's not over. I thought it was. Sick, are you on my team? I hope you're on my team. I need you on my team. You are on my team. You are.
I should probably not use the gun that I'm using, but I want to try it.
Hostages. Permission to go in.
I think I need to actually change my.
They have a sniper on their team. I got a guy left road.
Incendiary out!
I saw him back by the the moving truck that's on fire. They've had a guy up on their roof too. I don't know if.
Okay.
I mean, they know where I am right now, so. Yeah, I left road back up against the building. I couldn't mark him. He got me pegged pretty hard. He's right side of the left road in the way back. Fuck, one behind me. Damn, Mac 10. He's way in the back. He's actually going like into the building that you can go out of the spawn. Along the back side of the left road. That's a sick ass gun, yo. Yo, to your left,
Oh, I didn't see him. It's my first game.
No, I know.
I'm not ready.
I heard it on my headset. Look, I got 6'3", man. Fucking 4-piece right off the bat. Like, yo, it was sick. I'm actually gonna stop. I'm gonna back out of the stop my recording because it was like the first thing I did, right? I'm gonna check it and then I might just upload it to YouTube so you can see it. But I am gonna quit this.